In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default address on Amazon Web. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Amazon.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. What we're doing today simply updates the default shipping location Amazon uses while you browse and at checkout, which can affect what items you see, delivery dates, and shipping costs. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper left of the screen. You should see a small location area that says something like Deliver To, followed by a city or an address label. That's the current default address Amazon is using. It's easy to miss, but it's usually near the site logo and the menu icon. Take a second to find it because that's the control you'll use to change where Amazon ships by default. Click directly on that Deliver To section. This opens a panel or pop-up with your available delivery locations. If you're signed in, you'll typically see a list of addresses you've used before or saved to your account. The guide shows this as clicking Deliver to Sample, which just means clicking the Deliver To control to bring up your address options. In the list that appears, click the address you want to use as your new default. In the guide, this is shown as selecting a sample address, but in your case, it will be whatever saved address you recognize. Selecting it tells Amazon to prioritize that location for browsing and shipping. Remember, the default address can change product availability and estimated delivery dates, so choose the one you actually want packages sent to. After you've clicked the address, confirm your choice by clicking Done. This applies the change and refreshes the site so product listings, delivery promises, and taxes reflect your new location. It only takes a moment. If you see another confirmation prompt, simply click Done again. Sometimes Amazon shows an extra confirmation layer depending on the page you started from or the type of location selector that opened. Clicking Done a second time finalizes everything. That's it. Your default address is now updated. You can verify the change by looking back at the upper left. Deliver To should display your new destination. If you don't see the address you want in the list, that just means it isn't currently saved to your account. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on choosing from the addresses already shown. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to quickly change your default address on Amazon so your browsing and checkout reflect the right location every time.